Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up ConvertKit automation for affiliate email funnels step by step clearly. To set up ConvertKit automation for affiliate email funnels, start by logging into your ConvertKit account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Automations tab on the left sidebar. Click the New Automation button to begin creating your workflow. Choose the option to create a new automation from the pop-up menu. Next, select the trigger for your automation. Find the form you want to use for your affiliate funnel and select it. Once you've selected the form, click the Add Event button to proceed. Now you need to add an action to your automation. Click on Add Action and then select Send an Email. Compose the first email in your funnel, providing valuable content related to the. Make sure to include a compelling call to action that encourages clicks on the affiliate link. After crafting the email, set the appropriate time delay before the next email is sent. This could be a few days, depending on your specific funnel strategy. After adjusting the timing, add another action by clicking Add Action again. Choose to send another email, repeating the process of writing compelling content. Continue this process for as many emails as you want in your funnel. Once all your emails and actions are in place, review the flow of your automation. Ensure that each email is connected properly and that the timing aligns with your strategy. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Publish to activate your automation. To test your automation, sign up using the form and check the email sequence received. Make any adjustments if necessary based on the test results. Now, monitor the performance of your emails and make data-driven improvements as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.